Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a little haul. Not anything really exciting, but just two little little tidbits of information that I give you at the end of the video. So just went in there to get some little wrapping paper because I want to send something out, and I need to make sure some bubble wrap. Got that. Pick up these little puffy stickers, and I always don't got these little shaker stickers because I thought it'd be nice for a zine. And so they say, be beautiful, be kind, don't worry, be happy, believe. Sweet as can be. So anyway, they have the little shakers in them. So I just thought maybe, look cute on my zine. I did pick up the split rings. Maybe to make some little dangles up there. And I just picked up some folders. And this is just some stuff I'm organizing at home. Well, I mean, not at home, but at work. But, and I could have ordered them, but I don't know. I need some for home and for work. So these are just the 2 pockets ones, but they're nice and sturdy. And you can also put something in here. So that was that. I got one of each color and 2 red. And needed some 9 volts and some highlighters. And I love the different colors. I like having different colors. And I got this pack only because that's a rare color, and they had 2 of each. So, because like I do when I do my Bible study, I have a way I color code my scriptures, and it really helps. And so that's why. Anyway, the last things I got was some ribbon. They just had some baby ribbon. So which ones match? Okay, these 2 are the same. This is blue and green, and this is pink and yellow. Baby feet. And these are only, how much yarn? 4 yards. And then I got another pink. This is a bib and a hat. And this one is a giraffe. I think it's just a giraffe. So again, kind of like a boy and a girl one. Same thing for these 2. I had to put a piece of washi, which ain't holding because the plastic is off it, but I still got it. Just says the word baby. I had a whole bunch of baby ribbon, and I don't know where my baby ribbon at. But anyway, so that wasn't necessarily an exciting haul, but I really wanted to come just give you a little follow-up. So 2 things. One, I was in Tuesday morning, and I mentioned it in one of my videos, I think, and the guy told me that the Dollar Tree was going out of business. So he said they filed for bankruptcy. I haven't even looked at the news, but he said they filed for bankruptcy, and it's supposed to be done by the end of this year. Of course, this is the 10th month, and they haven't closed any doors, but supposedly they're struggling because of the embargo, the trade agreement with China that the president has put into place. I guess is affecting China, whatever, and prices and whatever. So the Dollar Tree is really affected because a lot of the items come from the Dollar Tree, because Americans are not gonna make stuff this cheap, unfortunately. And so everything is basically shipped from overseas, and with all these issues between the 2 countries, so apparently that's supposed to be affecting their product. Hence, which the guy Tuesday morning saying is affecting their prices. One, because the Dollar Trees, as I showed in a couple of my hauls, so I did 2 videos showing the upgrade. Actually, it's the 3rd Dollar Tree, which I haven't had a chance to get to, but I know about, is near the oh my gosh, the office, the home office, the base of the Dollar Tree, and I need to get over it. I just haven't been over there, but I heard that one is already done too. So I want to go there and see that one there, craft out, which I imagine that won't be the bomb since they're right next to headquarters of the Dollar Tree. But anyway, so if that's the case, if the Dollar Tree has got all these Canadian items, so I don't know what the deal is. Maybe that's why they're getting Canadian items, since we having issues with getting the Chinese items for the Dollar Tree. I don't know. But somehow Tuesday morning, the guy Tuesday morning said that it's affecting their prices. That's why you see stuff with 2 different prices up there, the same item, because they're actually now, because the Dollar Tree bought out so much stuff that it was affecting Tuesday morning prices. But if Dollar Tree is going bankrupt, then Tuesday morning prices should go down, in my opinion. I don't know. So anyway, it was just, just a thought that he sent it out there. So just kind of notice to see if you see a change and see if the Dollar Tree is closing. I don't know, because it seems weird to want to close when they're revamping their craft out and making it to a real craft out. So I don't know. That was just a little tip that I heard. So we'll keep an eye on that. The other thing that was just kind of interesting when I was in the Dollar Tree, and I just want to share this. When I shared, I went to the Dollar Tree last week, which was on Friday, and this video probably won't be up on Monday. It won't be because I already got some of it lined up. But I went back on Monday. So Friday, I was in one city. I was at the beach in one city. And then I was on Monday, I was like near my house going to the Dollar Tree. And, you know, I shared the story about the little girl and me wanted me buying her stuff in the store and her mother snatching her money from her, didn't even acknowledge me, saying anything to me or to the little girl. Didn't even know it was her mom. You know, because the little girl, you couldn't tell, her race was kind of ambiguous. You couldn't really tell. And then the mom didn't look like her. So you didn't know who she belonged to when she was by herself. But anyway, it was a whole bunch of stuff. But I was a little upset that the mom snatched the money and didn't even say anything like, you know, nicely if she needed it back. But I just thought it was kind of funny. But I did do it because I really wanted to bless the little girl because she really impressed me. And so I'm in a Dollar Tree, and I just thought it was so funny. So this lady in front of me, she was paying for myself. She was taking so long to get the move, and I was trying to figure out what she was doing because she had already swiped me at her receipt, and then she kept sticking her stuff in there, her card back in, and I was like, well, I'm saying to myself, like, wonder why is she sticking her card back in there? And she was mumbling something to herself, and I'm like, well, you just got your receipt, your stuff is paid for, and she kept saying, something, this machine about to listen to me or something. She was just, you know, whatever. And I was thinking, well, what's wrong with this machine? You just got your receipt. And so I was puzzled, and then she leans over, and then she says, and how did she say it? This machine about to listen to me. And she said, and you need to too. And I said, ma'am? And she said, yeah, I'm paying for your stuff. And I said, what? And she said, I'm paying for your stuff. I said, oh, no, I got it. She says, no, you need to pay for it because she said, you can't stop God's blessing. If I want to bless you and God told me to bless you, I'm going to bless you. So you better receive it. You don't mess with God. I said, yes, ma'am. So I thought it was funny. And the interesting thing was, so I was going to pay it for it. I only had a $5 bill on me because I ran in there. This is from two items, two different ones. What I ran in there with to get the $5 was I got these two items with the $5. So I didn't bring, no, these two and these two, I'm sorry. So I got these 4 items with the $5. So I had a $5 bill on my hand. The lady next to me, she had about $25 worth of stuff, so I couldn't buy her stuff. I was like, dang, don't have her to pay for it. But I just thought it was just kind of, you know, interesting that, you know, this happened with the little girl, and then turn around a couple days later, and the Lord blessed me for somebody to pay for my stuff at the Dollar Tree. You know, so it's a very humbling experience. It's a beautiful experience. And, you know, it just restores your faith in humanity sometimes that, you know, there's still some sweet people out there. There's still some kind people out there. And they come in all walks of life, old, young, black, white, green, yellow. You know, it doesn't matter. You know, if you have a heart of compassion, you have a heart of compassion. And if you care about people, you care about people. If you're thoughtful and considerate and kind, like my granddad used to tell me, you know, your person's, you know, handshaking that word, that's bond. If their word is shady, they shady. They don't got a good handshake, watch out. But, you know, it's always that, you know, you don't worry about the color of the skin, you worry about their character. And so, you know, I just thought it was a beautiful thing. And, you know, just those little small gestures like that, you know, just put a smile on your face and just make you want to pay it forward. And I would have, but I was so mad that the one time I leave my purse in the car and I come out with a $5 bill because I was trying to make myself stay to get what I need to get because, you know, Dollar Tree can be tempting. But it was just, that was just pretty cool. So anyway, I don't know what happened to the little girl, but, you know, I still pray for her and the family. And just want to share the 2 stories. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.